Hello, good morning everyone. Today, now I'm just starting with the module 2, that is financial market, and it's part 1, money market. Today we will discuss all about the money market, its meaning, its characteristics, objectives and functions. So first of all, I will just like to give you the intro about the money market. As we have already discussed in the module 1 all regarding the money market, but today we will just discuss in detail. Money market, as you all know that money market is for the short term, and the investors who are actually not willing to take too much of risk, so for them this money market is useful. It is also an important segment of the financial system. Here, as I told that the risk oriented investors always realize that stock market is a place for their savings, so for them actually money market is the best alternative. Here, assets which actually money equivalents and those which mature within the 1 year are dealt with this market, which actually gets maturity within the time period of less than 1 year or 1 year. So here in this, money market is used for the meeting for the short term requirement. It provides platform to the short time lenders and borrowers to fulfill the requirements. So here this market is also being regulated by RBI. This is one of the important tool for the RBI actually to manage the liquidity in the market. Here major players of this market are actually banks, governments, financial institution. So here, apart from the major players, also the mutual funds, foreign institutional investors also transact in the money market, and which is actually used by the corporates and others to meet the working capital requirements. Now what actually the money market is? Money market is actually according to the people's belief that fixed income and the bonds are same as according to the people's belief, but actually they are different. Here bond is actually just one type of fixed income security, while money market is distinguished from the bond market in a way that the money market specializes in a very short term debt securities. As according to the RBI's definition here, money market is for the short term financial assets that are close substitutes for money, which facilitates the exchange of money in the primary and the secondary market. So in short, we can say that money market is a part of financial market in which instruments are with the high liquidity and for the short term securities. Okay. Now we will just see the characteristics of the money market. As we all know, money market is for the short term requirements for the 1 year or the less. It is regulated by the RBI. As usual, I just discussed with you. It is having a short maturity period, that is 1 year or less than 1 year. Brokers. Here brokers are actually not there. Without the brokers we can do, because it is already for the short term, and it is being dealt without any help of the brokers, and also it is, we can say that it is an cost effective. इतना ज़्यादा आपको इसमें पैसा नहीं लगता है, कॉस्टली नहीं पड़ती है मनी मार्केट. वाई? बिकॉज ब्रोकर्स वगैरह का जो कॉस्ट होता है वो भी बच जाता है, राइट. सो हियर ब्रोकर्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट देयर इन द मनी मार्केट. मनी और मनी इक्विवेलेंट एसेट्स. Here in the financial market, assets which are actually converted into the money very easily and are dealt with speed. With speed, why? Because it is not having any complex process, brokers are not there, and it can be converted into cash very quickly. Then we will see sixth one, that is various financial instruments. Various financial instruments like treasury bills, call notice money, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, which these all are which provides the various alternatives to the investors. Low transaction cost, as I told you, without any broker we can do it. So the investors and the borrower both can come into existence and do these transactions very easily. Shape of a market. Actually money market is the base of market, while demand and supply of the money can be considered as the shape of the market. As I told you that RBI is regulating this money market. and actually RBI plays an important role over here. Why? Because the shape of the market is based on it according to the demand and supply. ठीक है, तो मार्केट के लिए क्या सही है क्या सही नहीं है, ज़्यादा पैसा हो जाता है तो भी हमारे लिए इकोनॉमी के लिए सही नहीं है, और कम शॉर्टेज होती है तो वो भी सही नहीं है. इसीलिए आरबीआई ये मार्केट को क्या पूरा मैनेज करता है और शेप देता है. सो मनी मार्केट इज एक्चुअली कंसिडर्ड एज अ शेप ऑफ द मार्केट अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेसिस ऑफ द डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. Players of the market. Here major players of the market, as I told you, banks, government, financial institutions also play a very important role. Less risky. It is a less risky. Why? Because it is a safe as compared to any other debt instruments we can say. So it is also for the short term period. So it is considered as a less risky. Objectives of money market. Now here, what is the main objective? Here main objective is to satisfy the short-term financial requirement of the people and provides the opportunity to investors to invest over here and create the money, right? And as I told you here, the main opportunity is here to invest the surplus of money which creates actually the problems of inflation, right? Less supply of money creates the deflationary situation, right? So here RBI plays an important role in the money market, and main objective of the money market is that only to maintain the proper economy. First one we will see, to employ the short term surplus funds, as the mobilization of the fund is actually an important in the economy. So here money market provides opportunity to invest the surplus funds through its various investments or through its various instruments, we can say, not an investment but an instruments, because why instruments in the money market are for the short term in the nature. So the investors who don't want to take any risk, they can just come into existence over here for the money market instruments and can invest and can earn. So here to employ the short term surplus funds. Second one is for overcoming the short term deficits. Here money market is actually giving the platform when the borrowers can generate the funds for the short time. So here the short term financial requirement of the borrower is satisfied through this market. So borrower issues various securities having a short time maturity to raise the fund. RBI to influence and regulate the liquidity of the economy. Here the money market instruments are actually a most important tool available to the RBI to manage the liquidity of the economy and also to balance as according to the desired growth of the economy. So for both surplus or deficit of the liquidity, it becomes hurdle in the growth of economy, right? So here RBI is actually creating the problem, solving the problem of the inflation as well as the deflation, which actually becomes the harmful for the economy. So here RBI is actually playing an important role to provide the short term fund at a reasonable cost. As I told you, short term के लिए होता है and reasonable cost में हो जाता है. So this is which the main objective of it, growth of economy of the country. RBI plays for it only to maintain the proper liquidity in the economy. So also the main objective is for the growth of the economy of a country. Now we will see functions. Short-term functions of financial market of the people is not only the function of money market but also various functions of the money market are there. Not only to just money market's main function is not only to satisfy the investors in the short-term period. काफ़ी उसके दूसरे फंक्शंस भी हैं. हमने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखे, उसमें से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव और मेन फंक्शंस भी और कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं. तो हमने देखा कि आरबीआई का मेन रोल प्ले करता है हमारी इकोनॉमी डेवलपमेंट को. तो मनी मार्केट का भी मेन ये फंक्शन है इकोनॉमी को डेवलपमेंट करना. ये सिचुएशन जो इन्फ्लेशन और डिफ्लेशन की आती है उसको पूरा अच्छे से एनालाइज करके और उसकी मार्केट और इकोनॉमी में पूरा स्टेबलाइज करना, राइट. सो हियर for this the purpose of money is actually an essential, right. So here money market is considered as a source of meeting of a working capital requirement, and working capital is required for continuing the operations of the business, and it is needed actually for the short term, right. So here the developed industry plays an important role in improving the living standard by creating employment opportunities, satisfying the need of the society, creating healthy safe atmosphere. So here money market plays a crucial role in the development of the economy. Second one is profitable opportunities. As you all know that here the borrower and lender both come into existence for the profit purpose only, right? So here the the lender also gets the opportunity to earn the good returns at a low cost, as the transactions of the money market is done without an broker. So they can do it very easily and safe as compared to the investment opportunity. So here the other one is financer of the government. Here the money market also plays an important role while securities which are issued by the government. So government also needs the fund for the development of the nation itself, and you know that government is collecting in taxes and revenue and but always he is in a deficit way. So he needs an finance on the day-to-day basis for the development of the nation. So here this requirement of the government can be met by issuing various instruments of the money market. So government is major player in the money market. So to issue the treasury bills and the various instruments, RBI also manages the issues on behalf of the government. So here financer of the government, as you all know. Now we will just see that about the mobilization of the fund. Here, as you all know that finance is a major part, considered as a heart of the business, we can say. So here the main requirement of the proper system which provides the linkage between the parties who have an idle saving, they can invest in the parties, and who need the proper funds. So investors invest the money if they are assured enough, and money market provides the platform for both, that is investors and the borrower, to function as a mobilizer of the fund. Fifth one, important for the central bank. Important for the central bank, why? Because he is only the regulation person, that is RBI. RBI is the central bank, right? He is managing the liquidity in the market for the development of the nation, for the development of the economy. So here excess and shortage, which are actually both considered as an harmful for the economy. So here RBI, that is a central bank, is an important tool to maintain the money market. Sixth one is financial support to the industrialist. Here industrialist, as you all know that industries are developing on a broad way, we can say, and there is a cutthroat competition between them, and daily the new changes are there on the basis of the technology, we can say. Many projects are being coming out, and they are just carrying right. So for them also finance is necessary. For the short term, if they want to invest, they can just go through, they can opt for the money market, and they can invest in the various instruments so that they can just get a very good return, and then that finance they can invest in the industries, right here. So generally industrialist also needs to follow the lengthy process to raise the money from the capital market. कैपिटल मार्केट में अगर वो लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो उसको बहुत बड़ी लंबी प्रोसेस करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है. अगर मनी मार्केट में करते हैं, देयर इज़ नथिंग बिग प्रोसेस लाइक दैट. तो वो लोग क्या ऑप्ट करते हैं, लेंदी प्रोसीजर के वजह से हम लोग क्या ऑप्ट करते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट भी मनी मार्केट, राइट. सो ऑल्सो इट गिव्स सपोर्ट टू द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. Seventh one is transfer function. Here it also provides facilities for the transfer, saving the person to the needy person, ठीक है. It functions as a linkage between the borrower and the lender, and here the regulator is actually being done by framing the various regulations and punching the wrong does try to establish the trust of the investors in the market. So this is also the main function. Now constituents of the organized money market. कौन कौन यहाँ पे है जो मेन constituents, मतलब कौन कौन इसमें हो सकता है मनी मार्केट में. सबसे पहले regulator, that is an RBI. Participants, that is a large number of participants are actually there in the money market, ठीक है. Then diversified instruments कौन कौन से different instruments होते हैं इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए और बोरोवर के लिए, तो उनकी जो नीड होती है उसके हिसाब से वो लोग चूज़ करते हैं, ऑप्ट करते हैं. बैंकिंग सिस्टम उनको फॉलो करनी पड़ती है कि जो भी कमर्शियल बैंक है एक्चुअली इट प्लेज एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द मनी मार्केट. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज एन बैकबोन ऑफ द मार्केट, राइट. सो यहाँ पे शॉर्ट टर्म सप्लाई फंड्स करके लेते हैं, तो देयर इज एन लिंकेज एक्चुअली बिटवीन द सेंट्रल बैंक एंड द वेरियस सेगमेंट्स ऑफ द मनी मार्केट. सो बैंकिंग सिस्टम इज प्लेइंग एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ओवर हियर. Sub market liquidity to maintain the demand and supply of the fund. ऑर्गेनाइज सिस्टम, पूरा सिस्टम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होना चाहिए. Then and then only participants can build a trust on it, and then the transparency of the transactions of the security can be seen in the organized money market. Availability of the proper financial instruments, अवेलेबिलिटी प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, तो ही क्या करेंगे वो लोग अच्छे ढंग से इन्वेस्टर्स को सेटिस्फेक्शन और इशूअर को दोनों को सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल सकता है. ठीक है. Availability of funds, efficient money market is availability of the funds for the investment. So either domestic investors or foreign investors दोनों के लिए ढंग के efficiency funds की होनी चाहिए. Demand and supply of the fund. So these are the various constituents of the organized money market. Now main players which of the organized money market: Reserve Bank of India, as you all know that RBI is the main regulator of the money market. SBI, DFHI Limited, that is Discount and Finance House India, actually which is an institution which is rediscounted in the bills of exchange, and it is being amalgamated in the SBI 2004. Acceptance houses, banks, various financial intermediaries, bill brokers and other players are the players of the organized money market. So these all we saw regarding the money market: characteristics, objectives and functions. These are actually very much important according to the exam viewpoint. Thank you.